Raytheon, a division of RTX, has successfully completed the Delta Design Review (DDR) for its Advanced Electronic Warfare (ADVEW) prototype, marking a significant step in the development of a next-generation electronic warfare system for the U.S. Navy. The ADVEW system, designed to enhance the survivability and sustainability of the Navy's A-18E divided by F Super Hornet aircraft, promises to play a critical role in countering evolving global threats and ensuring operational success in increasingly complex combat environments. The ADVEW prototype is intended to replace the existing electronic warfare systems on the Super Hornet, providing advanced capabilities in both electronic attack and electronic support. This breakthrough demonstrates Raytheon's continued commitment to delivering cutting-edge solutions to meet the defense needs of the U.S. Navy. The DDR was completed ahead of schedule, validating the functionality and integration of the Weapons Replaceable Assemblies (WRAs) that form a core part of the system. This review confirmed that the ADVEW system meets the operational specifications required by the U.S. Navy. As a result, the system is now well positioned to provide the Navy with the advanced electronic warfare capabilities it needs to effectively confront the challenges of modern warfare. Brian Rosselli, president of Raytheon's Advanced Products and Solutions Division, highlighted the significance of this milestone, stating, "This achievement reflects our innovative multifunctional approach, integrating electronic support and electronic attack to transform modern electronic warfare systems. Our solution is designed to address the challenges posed by today's most sophisticated adversaries, ensuring mission success now and into the future." Raytheon's development of the ADVEW system incorporates state-of-the-art digital and model-based engineering tools. This advanced engineering approach helps streamline system integration, reduce risks, and accelerate deployment while maintaining cost efficiency and supply chain resilience. The use of a common material base and standardized manufacturing processes ensures that the ADVEW system is scalable and reliable for future use. In 2023, Raytheon secured an $80 million contract to prototype the ADVEW system for the U.S. Navy. With the completion of the DDR, the program now moves into its next phase, which will involve rigorous testing in government laboratories. These evaluations will focus on validating compliance with open mission system standards and demonstrating the system's advanced capabilities. Raytheon, with over a century of experience in delivering innovative defense technologies, continues to play a pivotal role in supporting national security. The company's extensive portfolio includes integrated air and missile defense systems, advanced sensors, radars, space systems, and hypersonic technologies. As a key part of RTX, Raytheon collaborates closely with other divisions such as Collins Aerospace and Pratt & Whitney to develop cutting-edge aerospace and defense solutions. Headquartered in Arlington, Virginia, RTX employs over 185,000 people worldwide and reported $69 billion in revenue in 2023. The company's commitment to developing next-generation technologies ensures that the U.S. and its allies are equipped with the tools necessary to tackle the world's most pressing security challenges. The successful completion of the DDR for the ADVEW prototype underscores Raytheon's continued innovation in electronic warfare systems and its commitment to supporting the defense needs of the U.S. Navy and allied forces. As the program moves into its next phase of testing and evaluation, it is clear that ADVEW will play a vital role in shaping the future of modern warfare, ensuring that U.S. military assets are better prepared to counter the increasingly sophisticated threats of today's global security landscape.